What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jason Robertson on All About My Guns. So today, there's something special. All right, so got a new gun. It's another 22. I had the Benjamin Prowler, but I traded it to Air Guns for Life for a different gun because the Benjamin Prowler was ass. So this is the new gun. It is the Ruger Impact Max 22 cal 4x32 scope. It's like a level 5 suppressor. It's really quiet. Well, you know what? So I got it brand new. I got it like 2 days ago, but I took the scope and everything out. But here's the suppressor. It's a big old suppressor. It's fiber optics. No, I cannot take the suppressor off. Do it down the sights. It's pretty simple. Got a red dot. It's really pretty. It's a comfortable weight too. It's a fat grip, automatic safety. If you're watching this video, you probably looked this gun up and you probably found this gun. You probably want to watch a review, so you probably already know the details. I'm not going to go into the details, but what I'm going to show you is the power against. Here, scoot back some. Get too close. I'm going to show you the power versus this to a 177, which is the Ruger Air Hockey Elite 2. We're going to see which one penetrates better. I'm going to see how accurate this thing is, and then I'm going to show you the power test. Alright, so first off, we got a couple targets set up out there. We're using some 22 hollow points. Trying to think. Alright, so we have targets set up out there on the boards. You got they see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first one on the left. Dead. And then the second one, this one on the right. Dead. Alright, and then see if you can zoom in on that one way out there on the shed. Alright, those two were probably about 30 or 40 foot. And then this one, do they see it way up there or no?
Not really.
Okay. Well, it's like right there on top of the shed. Alright, I'm going to shoot it. You probably won't be able to see it. Maybe if I can even hit it from here. But that's a good almost 100 foot away. I hit below it. I don't have the scope on here. I haven't really had a chance to sight it in. Got one more shot. Alright, I'm not going to hit that from here. Try to make this fast video. So, accuracy is pretty good. Let me see if there's anything else I can hit. Close, far. Alright, is this steel plate? Okay, that steel plate's still by the road. See if zoom in on that steel plate. See it, show them that it's at least a little bit accurate.
I can't.
Alright, can I see it out there or no?
No. Oh.
It's right there. It's like right there. It's a little white speck. Alright. Alright, so I hit it from here. Alright, so next test, we're going to test this gun versus the Air Hockey Elite and see which one's better penetrating. Run, run, Rudolph! Santa's got to make it to town. Alright, I got him to get one of the cans so y'all can see the damage. Oh, I hit it twice?
Yeah. Oh,
that's the entry and the exit. Okay, so this thing, there's two cans in here. I don't know why. But it went through one side to the other side, and then it came out. So it went through both sides. So that's 4 layers of aluminum. Went through 4 layers of aluminum. That's pretty impressive. Alright, so we're going to set this down. And now we're going to do a wrestler, because I made a little bet with my little brother. So I'm not going to say what the bet was. But we're going to see which one will penetrate. So I think a 177 and a 22 goes all the way through, but I'm not sure. We're going to set him up. There's rock hard ads.
His name is Sami Zayn.
Alright, so do the 177 first. Alright, I don't think. Ready?
Yep.
Can't give me much shit after that, is it? Does that count as a penetration or no?
No.
You want to shoot again?
That does not count as a penetration. Remember, abdomen.
I am for the abdomen.
That gun's off accuracy.
Alright, let's see if I get this. Alright. I went between his arm and his abs. Went into it, boy. Alright, last shot. Alright. Okay. That time it was a definitely hit. Well, I finished taking the shoulder off. We're going to count that as a penetration.
Nope.
You want to shoot again?
Yep.
We ain't going to have a body left when I get done.
Remember, abdomen, not arm.
Aim for the abdomen.
Shoot head or abdomen? No, wait, his head pop off.
So, let's see it. There.
That counted as a penetration.
That was a pet shot.
Penetration.
Okay. And it almost went through.
I'd hate to see what the 22 will do.
Felt still in there.
Remember,
All right, so
shoot
now,
him right here. Yeah.
All right, now we're going to use the 22 cal.
I'm gonna hate to see what it does to him.
Okay. Ready?
No. Ow.
He definitely felt that one.
He might have felt that punch.
Where'd it hit him?
I think it hit him in the arm.
No.
Because if I'm not mistaken, you chipped him right there.
No, there's no mark. This thing would have hurt bad. I missed.
Shoot again.
Yeah, right to the left.
For
For those of you who haven't seen, this is a 177. These are 22s. 22s are way bigger. Alright, so we're going to use a 22. Oh, this
like he just got off work.
Okay. Alright. Ready? No way to tell if that penetrated or not.
I think it just shot his legs off.
Well, I think I hit him in the leg because here's his body with no hole in it.
Yeah, I just busted his leg. See, busted off that leg.
Let's see.
And no shot on the
I
body.
hit him in the crotch. I didn't hit him there. I don't know where I hit.
But you stopped it by me.
But that face hurt. He's hurt. No, I don't have to buy you another. Because it destroyed him.
No!
He's dead. He is dead. D-E-D. Dead. Out here. Okay, the 22 cal shatters this. I'll buy you another. Deal?
That's no fair.
It is perfectly fair. You knew it was going to happen.
I should have got the Roman Reigns. Or Seth Rollins.
Did you not think he was going to die?
Possibly.
22 versus knife. Let's see this. I missed.
It did not shatter.
No,
No,
I missed.
you shot it.
No, it didn't. Look at the porch. I missed. Go set it back up. We're back. Pick it up. Already played it. Alright, we're back. Yeah. It's dead. Well, I'll end up buying you a new one. Not this chick though. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. This gun is amazing. Way better than the 22 Prowler already. This thing already has front sights. 22 Prowler didn't even have front sights. How you gonna get a gun with no front sights? Or no sights in general? So this gun is a beast. And I like it already. I got this. Alright, well, I really like this gun, y'all. And I think it's pretty accurate. They cost $150 something, if I'm not mistaken. My parents got one for Christmas. But I missed. Okay. But thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want me to do, and I'll try to do it. And until next time, peace out.